Alright, let's unbox the roof rack wind noise deflector kit. Inside, you've got the main wind deflector, 4 mounting strap brackets, a hardware pack, and 2 edge trim pieces. That's everything we need, so let's get started. First, peel off the protective film from the deflector. Take the 4 mounting strap brackets and line them up with the holes on the deflector. Grab the clips from the hardware pack and secure each bracket in place. All 4 brackets install the same way. Next, grab the edge trim pieces. Open up the channel and slide the deflector into place, lining up the holes. Use the clips to secure the trim. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Now we're ready to install it on the car. Move up to the roof rack and position the deflector with the wider side facing down. Center it on the rack. Feed each strap underneath the roof rack. Loop it back through the bracket slot. And start tightening it using the tool. When you begin tightening, press down on the strap while turning the tool counterclockwise. Repeat this process for the other 3 straps. Make sure everything is snug, but don't over-tighten. The bottom of the brackets should sit flush and not hang in the air. Once everything is secured and centered, the roof rack wind noise deflector is fully installed.